Okay, so as some of you requested me to show the dihedral angles in details, right? I am making this very small video, right? This will be very small in length. See, here again you can see the staggered form of ethane, right? So I have taken the staggered form because it will be easier for you to view the dihedral angles and dihedral planes. Right? Now, let me select, see, these three atoms. So, two carbons and this hydrogen, right? Now I will construct the plane that consists of these three atoms, right? Calculate planes, new plane. Okay, so it's blue in color. So we have this blue plane that carries these three atoms, right? And here, as this is staggered form, right? So the fourth hydrogen is also in this plane, but we have not included it in our calculation. So here we have these three atoms, right, in this plane. Okay, now we want to find the dihedral angle or dihedral plane, right, that includes this hydrogen also. So now we will calculate the plane which includes these three atoms. So let us do it, and this time let us do it with a new color. Say, let me put it red. Okay. Okay. So see, now we have two planes, right? In staggered ethane, we have two planes, one blue and another red. Right? The angle between these two planes, the smallest angle between these two planes, is the dihedral angle. Okay. So here you can see it's 60 degree, right? So this is our dihedral planes, and this angle is defined as the dihedral angle. Hope this video helps you, and now this concept of dihedral planes and angles will be clear. Thank you for watching.